I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach. One of the questions we get asked by potential buyers is, how do I write an offer that will get accepted in a competitive situation? There's a lot of elements that go into a successful offer. One of them, probably the most obvious one, is price. You've got to come in at a competitive price if other buyers are interested in the same home. But you also want to have your agent determine what are the other factors that are important to the seller. What about timing? Would they like a longer escrow or a shorter escrow? Are they interested in potentially renting the home back after escrow closes? What if you were to include a love letter letting the sellers know a little bit about yourself and what you envision life would be like if you owned this home? You also want to make sure that you're including information that will position you as strong as possible. So have a pre-approval letter and include your proof of funds. If you have any other questions about how you can make your offer competitive, let us know.